Merino wool's softness and performance make it a go-to layer, season after season. Over time, signs of wear may show in places, but square darning is a timeless way to reinforce what lasts. Place your threaded needle into the side of the work area. Then come up a few millimeters away from the edge of the hole, leaving a long tail of thread. Imagine a rectangle overlaying your hole, and begin at the bottom right corner. We're going to make long stitches that form vertical stripes over the hole. Bring your needle up to the top right corner, through 2 loops in the material and back down to make another small stitch. Repeat this back and forth, until the hole has been covered with long stitches. The next step is to weave horizontal threads through the vertical stitches. Use the back end of your needle to begin weaving, over and under the threads. When you reach the other side, make a small stitch. Now repeat in the other direction, weaving over and under the opposite threads. You can use your needle to straighten the horizontal threads by pushing them against the previous row. At the end of your final row, place the needle halfway into the corner. Now you can carefully remove the darning disc, pulling the needle to the reverse side of the fabric. On the back side of the material, secure the thread by making a couple of knotted stitches. Pull the other thread tail to the reverse, thread it onto your needle, and repeat the same process. Trim both ends of thread and your repair is complete. And just like that, your merino's back to its best. Because to repair is to rewear.